Hello everyone, Gavin Martin with On Purpose Growth. Hope you're having a great day. Reason for the quick video is we have an event that's really for the high ticket B2B salesperson, business owner, entrepreneur, founder, CEO. If you're out there and it's your job to add clients and add to your book of business and you want to have more first meetings with your ideal client profile, this event can be very supportive for you. So this is the LinkedIn Navigator Masterclass, 12:45 to 3, Tuesday, December 18th in downtown Naperville. Even if you're in the city, the Metro train gets you there pretty easily. And Brian McDonald of On Purpose is going to be presenting this. And what he's going to walk through is something that we've used with ourselves and our clients to build a top target list, to message that top target list, to do that at the right time and in the right way without sounding salesy, and have all of that turn into a result where people can actually book themselves solid using LinkedIn. This is a great way of building your client base, building your network, building possible referral sources. We think LinkedIn is a great tool. Some of us are using it, but not a lot of us are getting great, consistent results from it. We think this masterclass can be a big help in doing that. That's Tuesday, December 18th, 12:45 to 3, downtown Naperville. Now, if you want to find this event page, there's going to be some links somewhere down below, depending on where you see this. But the easiest way to get there, if you don't have the link, go to onpurposegrowth.com. You'll see the events link at the top menu. Click that. It'll take you to the On Purpose Growth Eventbrite page. Scroll to the bottom. You'll see the LinkedIn Navigator Masterclass, actions you can take to find and add clients. That's what it's all about. Click that. You'll see the event page, and you'll want to click this big green button to hold your spot. Now, oddly enough, as I was making this video, one person registered. So this event we get really good response from. We did one before. It filled itself up without us doing anything. It just came from organic traffic and some people talking about it within our network. So we expect this one to be the same. If this is at all of interest, check out the event page, reserve your spot. If we've seen you before, we look forward to seeing you at this one. If we haven't seen you before, we look forward to getting to know you Tuesday, December 18th, 12:45 to 3 in the afternoon, downtown Naperville, and we'll see you there.